Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Rondevo. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in rondevo.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Rondevo website from which you can sign up directly from the homepage. Simply select your gender and then enter your name. After typing in your name, you will be asked to enter your date of birth. After entering your date of birth, just type in your email address and then type in your preferred password for your account. Then click on the checkbox which says you have understood the terms of use and the privacy policy. Then click on the register button and now you will be allowed to create your profile. Just click on the Let's Do It button and you will be asked various questions about your online dating application use. You can skip these questions at any time by clicking on the skip button or answer the questions and click on continue. Now once you fill up your information, you will be asked to fill up your preference. Just choose your preference for the people that you want to meet and click on the continue button. After providing all of your preferences, you will be asked to fill up a few more information, and after filling up these informations, which include your profile pictures, you will be able to tap on the continue button. Now finally you will need to confirm and register your account by logging into your email address that you used to sign up. Just check your inbox and you will find a verification email. Open up this email and click on the yes button and now your account will finally be activated. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Rondevo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.